After reading everything I could get my hands on, after spending hours and hours watching Reema's videos, and 20 pages of notes later, this is everything I've learned about the Cadō method. Come along with me to try to recreate not the cut, but the styling. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Irena and I talk everything to do with curly hair. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Reema, the creator of the Cadō method. Such an iconic curly method, not to be confused with the curly girl method, nothing to do with it. If you don't know who Reema is is an award-winning hairstylist and hair educator who is the creator of the Cadō method. The Cadō method is a beautiful approach, very artistic approach to curly cuts, curly styling and curly coloring. The Cadō method offers some amazing blonding styles and blonding techniques. She also have this revolutionary way of cutting curls to give volume. Curls cascading down. She's based in Canada, which is so far away from me. A whole ocean between her hands and my hair. The nearest person who is Cadō trained is all the way down in Marseille, which from Nantes, it is quite far. Definitely too far to go for a haircut. Today I'm going to try to recreate her styling techniques. She doesn't let everything out on her videos. I don't blame her. She spent so many years training and creating her technique to give it all away. But I have been watching and I have been learning, and hopefully I will be able to create something similar to what she does. Products aren't everything, but I have purchased some of the products that she uses. So what did I get? I got this gel. This is the Oasis Curl Jam. I also got this curl cream. There is an Oasis curl cream. This is from Session Labels, also by Swerve. The reason why I got this and not the Oasis balm is because this one has heat protection and the other one doesn't. I got this Oasis Air Whip. For a finishing serum or oil, I got the serum. Everything's about technique, not so much the products. I mean, the products are huge help. I've only seen her using the Denman brush for styling, as well as her fingers. She uses loads and loads of water. She usually styles inside the bowl. That's one of the reasons why styling in the shower is so good, because you really have her hair absolutely drenched. The bowl will be amazing because you don't have to get your bag full of products, which is not very pleasant. She uses a raking technique, or for what I've seen in her videos, she uses a raking technique, and she uses a lot of squishing and scrunching the brush, finger coiling. I've started by drenching my hair. This cream is called Session Labels The Definer. I think there's even quite a lot, seeing how much product she puts. I'm going to emulsify this in my hands. Oh, you'd say it's all gone, but no. It has a nice scent. We go again, a teeny tiny amount. Using the Denman brush, I have seen her working in small sections, and small sections are great because the smaller the section, the less frizz you are likely to get. And she uses it in horizontal sections. Okay, let's have a look at this gel. It's more like a custard. It smells nice. And she says she uses about 2/4, which I think is a coin. I think, yeah, it's the size of a coin. So I am going to put the measurements in centimeters down below. If you are also in Europe or anywhere else and you don't use dollars like me. Oh, nice. It gives a nice lip to the hair. I have seen her using Oribe or Oribe or Oribe. I mean, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. English is not my first language. I've never tried anything from that brand. She also uses K18, which is a product that I love. She uses Authentic Beauty Concepts. She also uses Swarkovs in her salon, and those are the products that I have got because it's the ones that I have seen her using the most over and over again on all of her videos in her different platforms. She's also a firm believer on her videos that less is more with curly hairstyling, and I agree with her completely, but I think she takes it to another level. I mean, I generally put a leave-in conditioner, although I prefer to use a curl cream because I have bleached hair, and one of the reasons why I use a leave-in conditioner and a curl cream is often because the curl cream doesn't have heat protection. I've seen other creators that are hairstylists, and I am not trying to claim to know better than they do. They know and know a lot more about hair that I do, but it's not sustainable not to use curl cream or leave-in conditioner. You really need one or the other to seal moisture and to seal hydration on your hair more than to help in define. I do think that using only a gel is absolutely fine for defining. Using a very small amount and emulsifying well. I ran out of juice, I ran out of battery, and that is absolute bollocks. My camera ran out of battery. I'm going to have to film myself on my phone for a little bit until it charges enough. So I'm sorry if the image and the sound quality is not as good as it could be. Sorry about that. I just didn't want to stop styling. I'm quite heavy-handed with my products, and it is been quite hard to resist the temptation of putting more and more and more and more, especially gel, because curl cream I don't mind that much. I didn't like much the slip that curl cream gave me anyway. I have to decide to add more and more gel because my hair is so wet, and the wetter your hair is, the more diluted the gel is. That's one of the things that make a difference, and I hope it will give me a longevity this styling, because this gel is supposed to be quite on the softer, milder hold. If you want to minimize the amount of products that you use on your hair for styling so you can achieve more volume, go straight onto gel. It's quite expensive, but I really swear by it, and it's the living proof triple bond complex. When you're styling and diffusing with the knowledge that you're getting a very good performing heat protectant. I will be flipping my hair upside down, which is part of her technique. Hello from this perspective. I'm hoping that this way should be able to see me upside down. The level of hold of these products, it is much stronger than anticipated, and definitely much stronger than they describe them as, which is always a nice surprise. My hair is not fully diffused yet. My neck is killing me diffusing upside down all this time. I'm gonna go and have lunch. It took some considerable time to diffuse my hair as usual because I only used gel, and I mean the amount of curl cream was so small, and it's probably one of the things that enhances the hold of the gel more so than the power of the gel itself. This is a nice touch because it gives it some air to the hair. I have a really nice cast which we are going to break together and see the final look. As you can see, I mean, it's really just pure silicone. Of course, doing so much of the routine upside down would encourage more volume, especially considering that I didn't use any volumizing products. One thing that I saw often on her videos, it is that when she finishes diffusing, uses a volume spray. I am not a very big fan of volumizing products, mainly because I am not a big fan of that gritty texture that they give. I am really pleased with this routine. I'm very pleased with the products, and I'm very pleased with the technique. There is many things that I am going to be certainly adopting from her ways, like using less is more. I need to remember the less is more. Tell me, what do you think about this routine? Let me know everything you think about this and about Reema. Make sure you like and subscribe, and that you share my channel with friends so that we can reach even more people. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.